Did you know that a little over 19% of the United States population is diagnosed with anxiety disorder? There can be multiple different kinds of anxiety, including generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, specific phobias, agoraphobia, separation anxiety, selective mutism, and medication-induced anxiety disorder. The most common type of anxiety is generalized anxiety disorder, which is defined as you feel exclusive, unrealistic worry and tension with little or no reason. Anxiety disorders have become more common each year due to the large amount of people who normalize it and make it more known. There are multiple causes, symptoms, and medication for anxiety disorders that have risen to the surface in the past few years. Depending on the type of anxiety disorder you have, there can be multiple different causes. One of the causes could be genetics. Believe it or not, anxiety disorders can run in a family, making it common for generations to have it. Another cause is brain chemistry. Researchers have proved that there can be faulty circuits in your brain that control emotions and fear. Another cause could be environmental stress. This is stressful events that you have lived through or are currently living through that have affected you negatively. Another cause would be drug withdrawal or misuse, although there are certain drugs that decrease or hide some types of anxiety symptoms. The last cause is medical conditions. When you undergo certain kinds of medical injuries or problems, that can trigger anxiety and make symptoms worse. The symptoms for having an anxiety disorder include panic, fear and uneasiness, feeling of doom or danger, sleep problems, not being able to stay calm and still, cold, sweaty, numb or tingly hands or feet, shortness of breath, breathing faster and more quickly than normal, heart palpitations, dry mouth, nausea, tense muscles, dizziness, thinking about a problem over and over again and unable to stop, inability to concentrate, and lastly, intensively or obsessively avoiding feared objects or places. To reduce these symptoms, people either take a supplement or find a natural way to cope with the anxiety. The most common medications that are used to treat anxiety disorders include modern antidepressants, bupropion, other antidepressants, beta blockers, antipsychotics, or bupropion. When people decide that they do not want to take a medication, they usually do either psychotherapy or cognitive behavioral therapy. Psychotherapy is a therapy that helps you learn what and how emotions affect your behavior that you usually do with a trained specialist. Cognitive behavioral therapy helps you learn how a negative emotion or behavior can be turned into a positive one. To sum things up, anxiety disorders have become more normalized over the years due to people making it more known. There have been more treatments over the years that help the anxiety that include both natural and medical ways. So next time you feel anxious, just know that a little over 31% of Americans experience anxiety at some point in their life as well.